Hi everyone, it's Professor Hall. Welcome to week 9. So there are a couple of things that are coming up this week. The first is that before you email me, I know that I mislabeled the lectures, but basically we're going to be looking at argument, and we're going to talk about having an argument with a claim, reasons, and evidence. This is one of the student learning outcomes for the class, so it's something that is really important that you learn before you finish our course. Lecture 1 has parts 1 and 2, which is a claim and reasons, and I talk at length about how to structure an introduction with a claim and reasons. And then lecture 2 has the third part of the lecture, really, which is including evidence and explaining your evidence. So it's kind of using that Teal method specifically for an argument, and we're going to be building on that skill that you learned in your last project, in your last 2 projects. The other thing I want to say is that you have 3 reading options. You only need to pick one of the 3. And it's important when you download the article that you're thinking about doing, it'll have some ideas at the top for your persuasive essay, which we're going to sort of use this to lead up to writing that persuasive essay. So what I want you to know is it's really important that those are jumping off points for your persuasive essay. I do want you to kind of stay in the realm of the topic of the reading options that I've given you, but really you can take it in a number of different directions, and I want you to think about how you want to do that and what you really want to talk about, because we're going to be spending a little bit of time with this topic. You're going to do some research eventually, and then we'll do those essay checkpoints, and then you'll be putting together a paper about that topic. So kind of like last time, I want to make sure that it's something you're interested in, but the most important thing is that it has to be an argument. I have a lot of people who come to this paper and they're basically writing an informative essay, and that's not what we're doing here. We're really focusing on argument. So when it comes to the discussion forum, the first thing you're going to do is the literal reading of your article, where you find those main ideas, you write about the author's overall claim. Then you're going to answer 3 questions in the article comment section, and that's going to be in the document where you have your reading option, so make sure you look for those. You're going to talk about whether you agree or disagree with the author, and then you're going to write a draft thesis statement. And then, because it's a discussion forum, you're going to comment on 2 other people's posts. This is really important. I cannot tell you how many people do a great job with their post and they forget to comment on other people's, and then they lose points. So I really want you to have a discussion, because you're going to be reading the same 3 things and then using them to kind of inspire you for your topic. And I think it can be helpful to hear what your peers are thinking and doing. So I'm hoping to see some really interesting discussions this week. And as always, if you have any questions, you can just email me and let me know. Thank you.